Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechSupper channel. The average professional spends over 2 hours a day just dealing with email, reading, writing, replying, and so on and so forth. Today, I am going to show you how to take this down 2 minutes. We will jump into a live demo where I actually use it on a real inbox. I am Ankur, founder of TechSupper, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set it up and start using it yourself today. So before we get into a real world demo, let us discuss about what exactly we are going to cover as part of this whole demo. First thing first, we will be discussing about what is connector. You might not be knowing what is connector in Claude Desktop. That is what we are going to clarify. Secondly, what the Gmail connector does, which exactly what exactly it does, what is the purpose of this. Then we will talk about the key benefits and I will walk you through the objective for this session. After that, we go hands on with a live demo, searching, summarizing, and drafting emails in the real time. And finally, a few honest, good to know points before you set this up yourself. Let's start from here. What is connector? Think of it is one click bridge between Claude and the app you already use. Every day, your email, your calendar, your documents, your project tracker. It's built on something called the Model Context Protocol, MCP. That's the open standard that lets Claude talk to outside applications securely. Three things to understand about how connector behave. One, Claude reads your data. You ask a question in plain English, no special search syntax, and Claude pulls the relevant information. Second, Claude only acts with your approval. If it is going to do something on your behalf, like save draft, it asks first. Nothing happens silently. Third, this is not just about Gmail. This is a whole directory of 200 plus connectors, Slack, Notion, Jira, and more. You connect once and it is available in every future conversation. I hope it is clear what is connector. It is like a bridge between Claude and your application using MCP. What is Gmail connector specifically? The Gmail connector is actually part of a bigger package, the Google Workspace connector. That means Gmail ships together with Google Calendar and Google Drive as one connection. Sign in once with your Google account, and Claude can read, search, and draft across all three. A few important details. It is available on Claude and Claude Desktop and on every single plan. It can be free, Pro, Max, Steam, and Enterprise. So you don't need to have this as a paid account. You can connect your Gmail with free account also. Here's one to remember. Claude can draft replies for your in Gmail, but you still hit send yourself. We'll come back to you that what actually a good thing later. So specifically what Claude can do with this connector, it can search your inbox in plain English, summarize long threads with citations back to the original emails, pull together details that are scattered across multiple emails, and draft replies that sounds like you, not a agentic AI. How it works? Total 4 steps to get started. Setting this up genuinely a 2 minutes job, and you only do it once. Here's a 4 step flow. Step one, in Claude Desktop, click the plus icon, go to the connectors, and then add connectors. Step 2, find Gmail in the list and sign in with the Google OAuth to approve access. Step 3, this is the fun part. You just talk to Claude normally. You don't need to activate the connector every time. Claude detects when your request need Gmail and it uses actually automatically. Step 4. Every single read or draft action will ask your confirmation before it runs. So always in your control. Once it is connected, it stays connected. Claude remembers it for every future conversation, so you never repeat this setup. You never repeat this setup. Key benefits. What are the key benefits of using the same? Why are team turning this on first before any other connectors? 6 reasons. Natural language search. You ask in plain English instead of learning Gmail search operator. Thread summarizes. Long back and forth conversation get considered into decision and open items with citations, so you know exactly where each fact came from. Cross email context. Claude pulls scattered detail from multiple threads into one clear answer. Draft in your voice. Replies gets written straight into Gmail as draft, ready for your review. Real-time savings. Less scanning, less searching, less context switching every single day. And human in the loop. Nothing sends, nothing deletes without your explicit approval on every action. That is the very good part. Without your consent, this connector cannot do anything on their own. Put those together and you get an inbox that works with you instead of against you. Ease your daily task. The same inbox, course minus. Let's make this real. Here's what's your day looks like before and after. Before, you are scrolling through dozens of emails manually. You are fighting with Gmail search operators trying to remember the right syntax. You are rereading entire thread just to find out one decision someone made 3 days ago, and every reply starts from a blank page. Now, with the Gmail connector, here's what you do, what you would actually type into a Claude. Group this week's email, reply today, wait, or ignore. Find the contract, maybe Ankur sent last month. Summarize the thread, decisions, and open items. Draft 3 replies to my urgent vendor emails. That's it. That's the whole shift from manually digging to a conversation. What is the objective of this? So here's exactly what you will walk away with the end of the session. You will be able to explain what a connector is, how MCP powers it. You will set up and authenticate the Gmail connector yourself. You will use natural language prompts to triage a real inbox. You will generate a ready to send drafts in your own writing style. You will apply security best practices around connector approvals. And you will leave with 5 reusable prompts you can plug into your own daily routine starting today. So good to know before you start. Before we jump into a live demo, I want to be upfront about few things. Not just a warning, but as by design choices that actually make this safer to use. No auto send, Claude's draft replies in your email Gmail box, but every email is sent manually. So Claude will not send the emails. You have to send it manually as you are doing, but it will draft on your behalf. There's no send function. Full stop. Metadata only. Attachment content is not directly read by Claude. It sees attachment metadata, not what's inside the file. No live triggers. This connector works inside a conversation you start. Nothing runs automatically the moment a new email lands in your inbox. Approval required. Every single read or draft actions needs your explicit per action confirmation before it happens. Honestly, these are not the limitations to be worried about. That's are they are actually why this is safe to hand real inbox access to. So let's begin with a live demo and see how you can connect your Gmail inbox with Cloud Desktop. And let's start with some prompts to work on your inbox. Let's begin. So with that, I will be opening the Cloud Desktop here. So here's my Cloud Desktop. So you have to have the Cloud Desktop downloaded. So come here and then click on this free and go to settings option. Under settings option, you will find out something called connectors. And then you will see all connectors, connected adapters, not connected adapters. And you can search from here. Sorry, settings, go back, connectors. You can say Gmail is here, not connected. You can search from here. And then if you would like to connect, simply say connect. When you say connect, what it will do, it will simply take you to your 1 minute. Let me open that. Again, let me click one more time. So it has opened your all the accounts that you have. Click on the account which you want your Claude to read the emails from. Click here. And then it will ask for the approval. And let's say continue. And let's say continue. And let's say open Claude. So your Claude has opened again with a message Gmail connected, meaning your Gmail is connected successfully. This is connected successfully. So once done, close this. Now, what we have done so far, your inbox has been connected and you will see from Gmail. You don't need to even choose it. You simply start typing. Can you please let me know how many emails I got it today? Simple question. Return. Enter. And let's see what it does. Binding tools. Let's say which tool? See, searches for email threads. So you got 11 email today, 12th July. In your inbox, most looks like promotions, newsletter, Mintra, Pinterest, and so on and so forth, plus a few notable ones, LinkedIn, Google Business Profile, Descript, Facebook. Fine. Okay. Can you please check the yesterday's important emails? Only important emails. Let's again go back, search the email threads. Here are the yesterday's July 11 important emails, 5 in total. NPS monthly transaction, Apple account, sign alert, Tata Steel, GST return, and so on and so forth. Okay, fine. Let's say read this, summarize this email. Summarize this email. So it will dig down into this particular email and see what do you receive here. Yes, this is standard Apple security notification. It says your Apple account was used into sign into the iCloud, a new MacBook Air. If that was you, no action needed. You can ignore it. Otherwise, take an action. Okay. Can you please draft an email and send it to info@techsupper.com. Let's say what it does. I have not given anything here. Let's say I can draft the email for you, but I don't have enough detail yet. What should it be about? would like to inquiry about Oracle integration training like cost, course details, timings, etc. Let's say what it does now. Okay, creates a new draft email in the authenticated user email and it asks your approval. Human in the loop. Always allow or maybe allow once. Let's say allow once. And what it will do, it will draft an email. Okay, I have crafted the draft, but I don't have permission to send email directly. Only to create draft, send where what I have drafted. Hey, I would like to inquire about Oracle integration training program. Could you please share the following details? Course fee, cost, course curriculum, batch timing, duration of the course, mode of the training. Looking forward to your response. It is saved in your Gmail's draft folder. Just open it there, hit send, and done. Let me go back and let me see if actually it is drafted or not. Let me open my email box and let me show you it is drafted or not. I'm just opening my draft. Yes, it is there. It is there. Here you say it's a complete draft email, say info@techsupper.com, but you have to send it manually. It will not send, as I have mentioned. That is one of the, I will not say limitation because of some security issues. Right. So now you can go back to the Claude and then say, okay, I would like to change, would like to ask the nego if would like to ask your reviews about Oracle integration training. Also, let's say what happens now. List draft emails from the authenticated user email account. Let's say what it does. Yes, I need say, okay, allow once. I have updated the draft email with the added, here's the full version. Review feedback from the past participant about Oracle integration on training. So you can say within few seconds, it is able to draft the email, it is able to summarize and so on and so forth. I hope you find this interesting. If you really like it, please like, comment, and share. And please let me know in the comment what is your thought on Claude Desktop. If you want me to create such nice videos, please let me know what all topic you are looking for. Accordingly, I will create that video for you. For now, bye bye. Thank you.